Hello everyone, Michelangelo Mortellero with Mortellero Law. Today we're going to have our second video of our Caregiver Support series, and for those of you that are not a member of our Caregiver Support group, please go to our website at mortellerolaw.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you will see the Center for Caregiver Support. This is a project that I have developed over the last 4 or 5 months, and we now have over 1,100 members on the Caregiver Support group, and it's really a place just to go get resources if you're caring for a loved one, whether that be a sibling or a parent or a spouse or even a special needs child. It's a great place to go and kind of get some resources. There's always entertaining and funny content posted on there as well, but our members really seem to enjoy it. So please feel free to join it. We'd love to have you, and we'd love to be able to share great educational content with you and hopefully help you get through your day as a caregiver. So for the second video, again, we're talking about having a team. And the reality is when you're a caregiver and you find yourself, as I mentioned, in the swamp every day with your hair on fire, you often don't know what you don't know. And so with the Center for Caregiver Support, as well as your elder law attorney, your financial advisor, your CPA, your care manager, your home health care company, these are all great resources. And while everybody's case is different, the reality is there's not one professional that has all the skill sets that you need in order to fully help you as a caregiver. So for instance, on the legal side, you want to make sure that you have your power of attorney, your healthcare surrogate, make sure that they are robust, make sure they have elder law language built into them, and they're not just a 5 to 10 page standard power of attorney written by a general estate planner. You really want an elder law quality document, which again for the power of attorney should normally be over 30 pages in length. So your attorney may be great at helping you coordinate benefits, making sure that we have funding for paying for caregivers from all sources possible, but your attorney is not your CPA. And so the CPA may need to get involved. You may or may not need one, but if you do, we want to have them involved on talking about if we need to pull money to pay for care, where do we pull it from? Do we pull it from our checking account? Do we pull it from our 401k or our IRA? Is it a good idea to break a CD and pay a penalty on pulling that money out? Maybe we talk to a reverse mortgage specialist. They're now called HECMs, a home equity conversion mortgage. Maybe there's equity in our house. We can stay living in our house. We can pull some of that equity out. We can help use that to pay for caregiving services. There's a lot of different options, and no one professional has all of the answers. So the attorney is obviously on the legal side. You may have your CPA on the tax side. You very well may have a financial advisor, and the financial advisor and the CPA and the elder law attorney will all work together in a group to figure out where do we have money, how can we make the most of it, and if we need to start pulling it, what buckets should we pull it from? On the non-technical side, but every bit as much as important, is we look at care managers. Many people don't even know that care managers exist, but your elder law attorney should be able to recommend one or more care managers. And those folks are there. They can be in the trenches with you. They can be reviewing medical reports and reviewing prescriptions and giving you advice on what things you should be doing, and then advocating for your loved one if things aren't going well. If your loved one is in the hospital and they're not getting the treatment that you think they need or the attention that you think they need, a caregiver manager or a geriatric care manager is a great opportunity. They can step in and really advocate on your behalf. So the long and short of it is that there's not one professional that has all of the skill sets, and in your caregiving journey, you likely will need to call on more than one profession that has more than one skill set to all come together, work as a team, and to help support you and your loved one. That information is all going to be available in our soon-to-be-released book, which is kind of a resource for caregivers, and it's a legal and financial perspective on the team approach that we like to use here at Mortellero Law. So if you ever have any questions, we're always available for you. Feel free to reach us on the website at www.mortellerolaw.com. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe so that you can continue to get good educational content from us. And if you are not a member of the Center for Caregiver Support, we welcome you to join that. Thank you so much and have a great day.